I have just had a massive Shein order come, so let's unbox and try them on together. So let's unbox this first package. I couldn't wait for the dresses and stuff, so I'll share all those, but there's some seriously gorgeous pieces in here. Like, oh. Yeah, I have to try them all on. But firstly, let's unbox this other one. First, shoes. I will add all the details in the caption for this one, but I think all of these were like under $20 per pair, Australian. These are definitely going to be a staple for me. I'm definitely going to need one of those like rotating shoe racks, I think, to put in the corner, because now I have quite a few pairs of shoes. Cute. So pretty much my goal with all these shoes was to find some nice staples just to be able to like pair with like almost anything in my wardrobe. I have so many dresses, as you can see, but I feel like I just have no shoes that just help elevate my outfits. I used to get like almost all my shoes at Famous Footwear, but now Famous Footwear has closed down. So I've been trying to find, I guess, similar styles that I love, but without spending literally hundreds of dollars on a pair of shoes. So cute. Now my room is such a mess. These are so cute. So I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure I got all of these. I think it was about $150. I used to be so nervous to buy shoes from Shein because they were so cheap. Like, these are from a previous order. They are so comfortable and they were so cheap. Got even some just like Birk style shoes. So cute, so cheap. Now let's try the clothes. This is stunning. Okay, dress number one. I really like this. I was a little bit nervous that like the fabric was just going to sit really tight on my stomach and just not flatter at all, but it has plenty of movement. Cute. Next, this top. I'll show you here what it's meant to look like, but it's a no. Just doesn't, there's no support whatsoever. Like, I'd have to literally hold it like this to wear it, so sadly not. Now this dress is absolutely stunning. It has like a little thigh split. This is, yeah, just a little halter neck. It's got little like ruching at the back. Super comfortable, I'd say super flattering. Yes from me. Next one, now this is so stunning. I found it a little bit hard to tie the back by myself, but it's this like gorgeous soft material. It's got like a second layer. I'm in love with this one. Love. Now these pieces definitely do not work together, but I wanted to show some of the pieces that I got, I guess, for like more business, like work style, officey fits. So like this cute top, it's buttoned up and it's got a little tie at the back to shape it a little bit more, and then this is a skirt. So we've got like the shorts at the back, but at the front looks like a skirt. These have actually turned up perfect, like exactly how I hoped them to turn out. So definitely think I'll probably pair this top with more like a pencil skirt rather than something like this. But I love it. And last but certainly not least, this dress here. I feel like it is kind of an awkward length. I don't know if it was meant to be like a midi length, but I'm just short. I don't think you can even see, but it like kind of goes just at my ankles. Like, it feels like it either needs to be a little bit shorter or a little bit longer, but very cute. It's got some nice detailing on it as well. Oh, I've missed one, so actually two. I've missed some tops. Didn't really have anything to pair them with right now, but I've got this one here, which is like semi see-through, and then it has like an underlined top. So I thought it could be cute. I also got this top. I'm not 100% sure how I even style it, but it looked really cute on the model, so I thought maybe it would look cute on me. And there is one more dress, so let's try it on now. Now, this is one I got, and honestly, it looks really cute, but I was like, hopefully it comes and I like it. But look, I don't think I would have the confidence to wear it out. I don't know, I don't think it's bad, but I don't think it looks great on me. But I don't know, maybe it's just me getting in my head. I feel like I'm gonna have to do a few little styled outfits of the pieces and how I would style them. So I might either add that in or do it as some separate videos. But if you like seeing my hauls and try-ons, I'd love if you give me a follow, subscribe, whatever you want to call it. Like this, comment what you want to see next. I'll be creating videos at least every week. So would love the support. My goal is to hit 10k subscribers in the next like 90 days. So help me reach that goal. Thanks for watching.